Honorable Minister. We had an opportunity to launch one of these projects in Rwanda. We might want to take you there so that you see what the young people of Zimbabwe are actually doing. Thank you very much. Integral Kumusha Nhakanomics is Information Society Initiatives Trust prepared.
Thank you, PS. All protocols observed. Allow me to start by congratulating you, Honorable Minister and Honorable Deputy Minister, on your appointment. My name is Dr. Daud Taranike, representing the Integral Kumusha Initiative, which is a homegrown initiative to transform rural households into viable socio-economic entities. And we have been in existence now since 2017, and we are proud beneficiaries of the ICT, the ministry, and the Murandinda community network. We were commissioned as the smart integral Kumusha role model in Zimbabwe in 2021 on the 8th of December. And that has helped us to unleash the power of ICT in smart agriculture and also in our collaboration with educational institutions. I'll be happy to advise you that we have been holding online courses from our own rural home as a result of this initiative. Honorable Minister and Honorable Deputy Minister, we are so happy because now we are taking the Zimbabwean concept not only throughout the nation, throughout the region, Africa, and the world over. As we speak now, we'll be graduating 10 Zimbabweans who have participated on an online course conducted by the Home for Humanity International, the Integral Kumusha, combined together to transform and unleash the power of homes in planetary regeneration. And I would like to finish by saying, I would like to welcome you to the Integral Kumusha and invite you that you come and see our initiative. Thank you very much.